Hello everyone! Today we'll dive into the world of binary options and I will tell you about a simple but effective strategy based on only one indicator. So, if you're a beginner or just want to improve your trading skills, this video is for you. We will analyze how to set up the chart correctly, how to use it for making rational decisions on the market. Are you ready? Then let's get started and make your trading path successful. And if you want to find even more interesting strategies, then join my Telegram channel. Besides strategies, I also publish here effective signals with the help of which absolutely each of you can start making money on trading, not spending much time on it. Join right now if you want to get your first profit today already. So, I've switched to the TradingView platform. It's the largest platform for chart analysis used by a significant number of traders. Here, you will need to either sign up or sign in to your account. And to add the currency pairs that we need, we go to the section with the plus sign. Here we should have Forex chosen. And our task is to add those currency pairs with FXCM as the quotation provider. Now let's add the indicators that we will use to make money. We go to Indicators section and enter the name of our indicator. And we add the indicator called Price Steps Channel from this author. So, our chart has changed significantly. Now let's figure out what are we going to trade and what the strategy is all about. This indicator shows us a certain range within which the price moves. Our task is to open trades when the price approaches either the upper or lower boundary of this range. Also, this indicator has a central level, but we will use it only when the price has already touched this level several times and made a rollback movement. In other cases, we will not use it. So, I found a good situation to practice. In this situation, I saw the central level here. At the beginning of the video, I said that we will only trade from the central level in cases where there are a large number of rollback movements from this level. And as we can see, in this situation, we have several rollback movements in a row from this level. Accordingly, we can consider this level strong, and I can also consider downward movement here. But that's not all. I'm switching to 5-minute time frame now. On 5-minute time frame, now the only thing I can note is a certain support level has been broken through here. Breaking the support level tells me that the downward movement will be continued. So I have chosen the desired currency pair and immediately open a down trade. While this deal is in process, let's also discuss a very important point regarding the selection of currency pairs. The thing is, on TradingView, there are no currency pairs with OTC mark translated, which is why if you're going to trade using this strategy, you must choose currency pairs with no OTC mark. This is very important, so please take it into account. The deal has closed, the downward movement has occurred, and the situation can be considered completed. Let's move on. So I found the first situation to enter the trade. Let's see what we can find interesting in this situation. I see that the price is approaching the upper limit of our indicator. From here, I expect a rollback movement for the reason that we have this level of resistance near this border, and we had rollback movements from this level. This, in return, confirms the strength of this level. But that's not all. I open a 5-minute time frame, and on the 5-minute time frame, on the last segment, I see that the seller dominates here, producing good and impulsive candles at their favor. We also have certain support levels at the bottom, which the price will most likely strive for. So I have chosen the right currency pair to open a trade, and I immediately open a down trade. While I was explaining, we had an impulsive upward movement here, so my entry point is very successful. Now we can calmly wait for the trade to be closed. Okay, please note that we will use 2 time frames for trading. The first time frame is the 1-minute time frame, which is the main one for us, and we place greater emphasis on it in trading. On it, we look for signals from indicators as well as the main confirming factors in form of candles or levels. We use the 5-minute time frame to view the market situations more globally. However, there too, we often find various levels or candlestick patterns. The trade closed in a profit! Great result! Look at this impulsive movement that occurred as soon as the price entered this level. An excellent result! My balance is already $271. Let's move on! So, I found a good situation for Euro USD currency pair. Here, I will also work out the rollback movements from the central level on our indicator. I see that the price has reached the central level here. If you look at the situation more globally, we can see that the central level coincides with this resistance level, from which there have already been a certain number of rollback movements. This indicates the strength of this level, and I expect a rollback movement downward here. So I'm switching to 5-minute time frame. On the 5-minute time frame, the only thing I can note is that we have a retest of the level. I see that we had this retest, we had this certain support level here. This level was broken through, and the price returned to it, and I expect a rollback movement. I opened the desired currency pair, and now I'm opening 1-minute downward trade. While this deal is in process, let's go over the procedure for entering a trade once again. So, firstly, you need to see the price approaching the level on our indicator. We have only 3 levels: the central level, the upper level, and the lower level. Simple. Next, you need to start looking for confirming factors. Firstly, look for confirming factors on the 1-minute time frame, then consider the situations more globally on the 5-minute time frame. That's how it works. Once you have found the confirmations and analyzed the chart, you can safely trade with your broker using the risk management, of course, that you use in trading, all the rules. Please keep them in mind. By the way, look at the downward moment we're seeing. I think the trade will be 100% closed in a profit. The trade closed in a profit! Oh my god, as you can see, thanks to this strategy, I was able to significantly increase my balance in 3 trades. At the moment, my balance is $324 and my deposit was just $100, remember? Wow, good! That concludes my video. I hope you found it useful. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel via the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!